Elon Musk is building something that could completely change the way his companies make AI. Tesla and SpaceX are putting an initial $16.8 billion into a massive new semiconductor project called Terafab in Texas. And this isn't another AI data center. Musk wants to build the machines that make the chips powering his AI systems. Terafab is planned for Grimes County, Texas, and the full facility is expected to cover around 100 million square feet. That's enormous. The first investment is $16.8 billion, but the project could eventually grow to around $119 billion if all planned phases are completed. So what exactly is Musk building? Terafab is designed to bring several parts of semiconductor production together in one place. Chip fabrication, memory, advanced packaging, and testing. Instead of designing a chip in one location, manufacturing it somewhere else, packaging it somewhere else, and testing it somewhere else, Musk wants much more of that process under one roof. And there is a very specific reason for this. AI needs an enormous number of chips. Tesla needs computing hardware for its vehicles and Optimus humanoid robots. SpaceX wants computing hardware for its planned space-based data centers. And Musk's companies expect their future demand for computing power to exceed 1 terawatt. That is an enormous target. So Musk is trying to control more of the hardware supply himself. And this is where Terafab becomes interesting. Tesla has already been developing its own AI processors. Those chips are designed for applications such as autonomous driving and robotics. Terafab could give Tesla a much greater ability to manufacture those custom processors at scale. SpaceX also has a different problem. Its planned orbital data centers will need chips capable of operating in the harsh environment of space. That means the company wants specialized hardware, rather than simply buying whatever chips are available on the market. And Musk isn't doing this alone. Intel is involved in the Terafab project, bringing semiconductor manufacturing expertise to the effort. The planned facility could eventually employ at least 3,000 people. But the scale of the building is what really gets attention. SpaceX and Tesla describe a facility around 100 million square feet. Musk has even described Terafab as potentially the largest and most valuable building on Earth. But building a giant semiconductor factory is incredibly difficult. The semiconductor industry requires extremely precise manufacturing equipment, specialized materials, cleanroom environments, and advanced lithography systems. A factory can cost billions before it produces a single chip, and getting production yields high enough for mass manufacturing is another enormous challenge. So Terafab isn't something that becomes operational overnight. It's a long-term bet. Musk is betting that controlling the chip supply will give Tesla and SpaceX more freedom to scale their AI ambitions. Think about what that could mean. If Tesla wants millions of robots, those robots need processors. If Tesla wants more autonomous vehicles, those vehicles need processors. If SpaceX wants massive orbital computing infrastructure, those satellites need processors too. And instead of depending entirely on outside suppliers, Musk wants a much larger part of that supply chain inside his own ecosystem. That is the real story behind Terafab. Musk isn't simply building another factory. He's trying to move deeper into the semiconductor industry because he believes AI's future will depend on whoever controls the physical hardware behind it. The question now is whether Musk can actually build Terafab at the enormous scale he is promising. Because if he succeeds, Tesla and SpaceX could have something most AI companies don't: direct control over the chips powering their future machines. And that could make Terafab one of the most important pieces of Musk's entire AI strategy.